Hello and welcome to the Sarnia Public Library catalog search tutorial video. Today we're focusing on how to find materials in the catalog, but if you're interested in getting a library card and a pin, please see our webcast titled Library Card and How to Use It. But for today, you've already logged into your account and you've clicked on the My Library window. From here, click on the Catalog Home Search in the top left-hand corner. In this window, you'll be prompted with two scrolling bars with books, new items in case you're not quite sure what you'd like to try, and recently returned items if you've had your eye on something and you're hoping that it has been returned. If you see a book that you want, click on it. You can view the full details of the book or simply reserve it. In this window, click on your local library and click Make a Reservation. It's that simple. But if you're not quite sure which book you like, there are a number of options for searching: keyword, author, title, series, subject. Luckily, today I know the exact book I want. Once you've typed it in, just hit search. In the next window, you'll be given all of the catalog search results for that book. You can scroll through and see if you can find it. Once you do, click on the title. In this window, you've given a whole other list of options. You can reserve the book, store it in an automatic list for later, print the data, share it to social media, or gather more information about that particular book. Today, we just want to reserve it. Click on Reserve, select your local library, and click Make a Reservation. It's that simple. Now all you have to do is go to your library and pick up your book.